finally showered. I put it off since day before yesterday. Does anyone else do that, or is it just like a ND thing? And now my hair is wet, so I'm very unhappy. I also need to eat, which is also something I don't want to do. So we're all sorts of mentally healthy over here. Today's a sculpting day, and then, you know, tomorrow and however many days I have to get pre-orders done today and tomorrow. And maybe some new charms for the shop. I also need to find my chapstick because my lips feel funny. I pretty much just played 7 days all morning, avoiding taking a shower and working. So yeah. But I did make a really cool, with the help of Levi, I made a really cool like garden area. If I get on tonight, I will show you guys. Well, I was gonna put the peanut butter up, but it doesn't fit. So I need to figure out something quick to eat, and I have to do dishes real bad today. Like, the dishes, they need done. And my tattoo was doing a lot better. It is still itching, but not as bad, and it wasn't peeling quite as bad. But then in the shower, it started like peeling again, which I know is normal. It just, now it feels gross again. Okay, so I'm gonna go get to work. I think this is the first I've recorded today, and it is 12:12. I'm doing really good on Vlogtober today. Maybe if I do the dishes first, I won't feel as stressed today, because I'll know that no matter how tired I am after working, they'll be done. And I won't feel adverse to making supper because the kitchen will be clean. Is that a good idea? I should probably do that. That sounds responsible. It sounds like something an adult would do. I finished the bot mittens. They have their little thumbs now. So these need blocked and the ends tucked in. Tonight I'm going to tuck in the ends and sew down the picot edge, and then these will be ready for photographs, and these will be ready for photographs. And then I realized, hi Stevie. Stevie says it's time to get the kids. It is time to get the kids, isn't it? Yeah, we're good. I know, but to God wait. I was talking to the camera, God wait. What? But to God wait. I know, but okay. All right, we'll go. But anyway, so I'm casting on the fingerless version tonight, and I'm hoping to get those done pretty quickly, and then we can start officially releasing teasers about this mitten pattern and this one. Yay! Okay, all right. Who's ready? Let's go. She's so fast. Okay, so I'm in the pickup line, and I had to get gas, and I couldn't get it to work. I don't know why. It just kept like clicking off. So anyway, I'm gonna knit for a little while. I've got Stevie with me. Don't I, Steven? And get the kids and go back home. No, I have to go to the store. I have to go get milk and something else that I can't remember, and hopefully remember before I have to go. So it is after 9 o'clock. It's very late and you can probably hear the fan. I'm really sorry. But it is a be in bed night. Girl Scouts was a little bit chaotic for me. I had a hard time processing everything that was happening and all the noises, and I mean, I think it went probably the way any Girl Scout thing would go, any meeting would go. I was way overstimulated. So when I got home, I came in here and I laid down for a while, but I was starving. So Adam ended up making ramen for himself, and whenever I smelled the ramen, I was like, oh, I cannot not eat something. So I made scrambled eggs and a couple hash browns. So I'm feeling a lot better and I'm calmer, but I'm just gonna knit for a little while, maybe watch some Vlogtobers on my phone, and go to bed. So there's not much today, I don't think, but that's okay. You've got the rest of the month with me. So good night and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, Steven. Are you sleeping? Oh, okay. Good night. She sleeps in her kennel, but because I'm in bed early, she's in here with me. Callie should show up at some point. She likes to lay with me. Hello, kitten. Did you find me? Hello, beauty. Yeah? Are you wanting to lay right there? Here. There you go. You can lay there. You want to lay on my lap? Oh, okay. Now you're gonna. Okay.
I'm shy. I might have a sighting of her, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to see anything because I'm just a little too shy. But we'll see. We'll just go with the flow, right? But
Stevie's right there. Callie always lays right on top of Stevie.
And the last time
and Stevie doesn't mind. She just repositions.
I couldn't buy the fiber because I didn't have a
Hi,
spinning wheel.
Becca.
I'm never going to get a spinning wheel.